In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tail lights in your Nissan Altima. The process for the left side is the same as the right. Using a trim removal tool, get under the clip. Pull down the trunk liner. Remove the harness off the taillight studs. Remove the two 8mm nuts for the taillight. Remove the harness connector. Push down on this tab and pull straight back. This is the little part you're going to push on. It releases this little lock down here. Remove the taillight, pull straight out. Pull this grommet out and take the harness out of the car. Grab your new tail light. You can clean this up if you want to. Just gonna brush it off. I'm gonna install the new harness and grommet. Make sure this grommet seats well. Line the studs up and push the tail light in. Connect the tail light connector. Grab your two nuts and install them on the studs. Tighten them down with an 8mm socket. Install these harness connectors back onto the studs. Pull your trunk liner back into position. Reinstall the cargo net clip. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.